Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to short on TradeZero. And if you want to short on TradeZero, the first thing that we are going to do is we search right here for the symbol where we want to short. So let's search for something, maybe Adobe. I don't know. Yeah, there it is, Adobe. That's fine. And then what we're going to do is first go to the bottom to open positions and search if you are having a long position for the stock that we want to short. So we are having here Adobe and I don't have a long position on Adobe, so we can short. So then right now we fill in at quantity 1, we go to root, paper is fine. Then we have order type, we select market, and then we select here short. Then we do confirm. You can of course check everything right here. But if you do right now confirm, you see here right in the top order requested, order placed and order failed. So that is amazing. So right now if I go down to my open positions, you see right here that we are having on Adobe a short. So this is how you can short on TradeZero. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.